Why your Mmili, water rituals, sacrifices, or appeasements may not work. Mmili, or water rituals in Odinani, are sacred propitiatory acts meant to connect and align people to their forces of water spirits, Mmili. When done correctly, they can bring healing, guidance, and resolution to various aspects of life. However, when these rituals fail, the reasons usually lie in either the dibia performing the ritual or the person seeking assistance. Here, we've highlighted some of the common reasons why Mmili may not yield results. Let's take a look. Going to the wrong dibia. Not every dibia is called to work with water spirits. Water-related rituals are a special calling reserved for those with that spiritual purpose and training. Seeking assistance from a dibia whose expertise lies in other areas like creating magical charms, igwogu, can lead to failure, as water spirits are known to typically avoid artificially concocted charms. Always make sure you consult a dibia with a proven connection to water spirits. The dibia's lack of integrity. A dibia who does not uphold the sacred codes of prohibition, nso dibia, of their role is unfit to perform Mmili. Water spirits are known to be highly sensitive and will not honor rituals conducted by someone who disregards the spiritual discipline required of their calling. Lack of energetic purity. Avoid engaging in sexual intercourse at least a night before performing or participating in Mmili. Sexual activities can disturb your energetic balance, and since you can only account for your own energetic hygiene, abstaining ensures you approach the ritual with a clean and stable vibration. Disrespect in the marketplace. Your state of heart and intentions matter greatly, and even more than anything else, to water spirits. Over-negotiating, arguing, or showing greed when purchasing items for the ritual can taint the offering and lead to failure. Approach the market with reverence, fairness, gratitude, and a sense of awareness, as these energies align with the nature of water spirits. Skipping divination. Divination, Igba-afa, is very important before performing Mmili. It helps determine the correct approach, including the right way to conduct the ritual, the appropriate water body to visit, the specific market day approved by your spiritual forces. Ignoring divination risks missing important instructions from the spirit, which can lead to ineffective results. Lack of personal cleanliness. If you are someone who engages in harmful or unethical practices, this can interfere with the success of Mmili. Water spirits are drawn to purity, and they avoid aligning with people who harbor malicious intentions or engage in destructive behaviors. The source of ritual funds. The way you acquire money for the ritual can impact its success. For example, selling ancestral property or land to fund the ritual, borrowing money under strained circumstances. These actions can carry negative energy, which may affect the outcome of your Mmili. Polluting the water body. Mistreating or polluting the water body during a ritual can sabotage its purpose. Common mistakes include drowning animals in the water and abandoning them, throwing dead animals into the water, spilling blood into the water. Such acts disrupt the natural harmony of the water spirits, especially if you are seeking pure energies. This is why the guidance of a seasoned dibia is important, especially in cases where animal sacrifices are involved. The best time for Mmili. Seasoned dibias recommend performing Mmili either very early in the morning or late at night. These times are energetically potent and conducive for connecting with water spirits. why you need a dibia for Mmili. For first-timers, it is especially important to work with a knowledgeable dibia. They understand the intricate details of Mmili and can ensure the ritual is carried out in alignment with the forces of the water spirits. A dibia's expertise can distinguish between success and failure. It is also important to note the difference between Mmili and Ikpe Ileoma na Mmili. The former is a proprietary ritual with specific spiritual objectives, while the latter is a simpler act of thanksgiving and acknowledgement. Final thoughts. Mmili is a sacred practice that requires careful preparation, spiritual discipline, and respect for the forces of nature. If you're seeking guidance, healing, or resolution, ensuring the integrity of your approach, that is, by working with the right dibia, keeping your intentions pure, and honoring the natural element can make all the difference in achieving the desired outcome.